Good day, my name is Simon. Today we're going to show you through the P4 wheelchair accessible vehicle. This vehicle is built on a Ram Promaster. It is available in a rear entry or a side entry vehicle. This vehicle is a popular option for community living programs, adult day centers, even care homes or indigenous organizations, due to the functionality that this vehicle provides. The P-Series conversion provides an unobstructed doorway with bus-style doors and a heavy-duty transit-grade power ramp. Using the same entrance for all passengers gives them a sense of dignity and illuminates any feeling of isolation that they may have when riding larger buses. The doors are made of glass and allow the driver to see the curbs when pulling up at any destination. They are power operated and can be operated from a switch from the driver's dash or an optional external door switch like we see here. There's also a manual backup system for these doors if there is an issue with power. As you can see, the ramp doesn't block the entryway when it is stowed. It can remain stowed for walk-on passenger access. There is a manual backup system with handles on the ramp in case of an electric failure. The ramp's smooth and quiet operation allows people to communicate while in use, without having to talk over the noise. Many programs like this ramp system because it is quicker and safer to load than a hydraulic lift. Let's take a look inside the van. These yellow grab handles support passengers coming in and out of the van, which allows them to be independent and gives them a sense of dignity. The floor inside is called AutoFloor, which is a tracking and seating system made of aluminum and covered with a durable transit-grade non-slip floor surface. The track allows for passenger seats and wheelchairs to be secured. With the AutoFloor installed, these transit seats are removable and wipe clean. It allows flexibility for seating to be arranged however you need at any given time depending on how many wheelchairs and ambulatory passengers you'll be transporting. Many programs find this makes their rides more efficient, allows them to give their riders a better experience. Without the AutoFloor, you're not able to customize the floor plans. This P4 van accommodates up to 3 wheelchairs or 10 ambulatory passengers, or a combination of both. We'll now show you how this works. First, lift up these tabs on either side of the seat base, pull back on the red levers to detach the seat from the track. Then roll the seats along the track to your desired position. To secure it in place, align the front of the seats through the holes in the track, then push the 2 red levers forward. Even though the seats are lightweight, you can wheel the seats in and out of the van using the ramp, meaning your drivers never need to lift them. Along the top of the windows there are tracks for securing the shoulder harness and lap belt for wheelchair users. Each van comes with 4 wheelchair restraints per wheelchair position. They are compatible with the AutoFloor track system and they are CMVSS tested and have a self-tensioning system. When they are not in use, they can be stored in this little pouch attached to the wall. Let's show you how it works. The P4 van comes with a commercial safety kit. Additional options are available, such as luggage compartments in place of the front seat, farebox insulation, even camera systems and much more. Overall, the P4 is a popular option for accessible transportation providers who want to downsize from a large cutaway bus to a more efficient and flexible vehicle option. This vehicle offers a completely barrier-free access for riders, with any mobility level, whether they're using a walker, wheelchair, or ambulatory passengers. For more information on how this P4 vehicle will fit for your program, reach out to us today.